Good evening. Shineray is expanding its motorcycle lineup in Brazil, with an all-new model aimed at riders seeking a distinctive look, modern features and solid performance. The Urban 150 FE stands out with striking styling, an unusually large fuel tank nearly twice the capacity of a Honda Shish 160 and an array of technologies rarely seen in this price segment. Designed for urban commuters and delivery riders who value both form and function. The Urban 150 FE departs from Shinray's more traditional scooters by featuring sharp, sporty lines and a distinctive headlight cluster that give it a confident, edgy profile. Its fully digital instrument panel displays speed, fuel level, and gear position at a glance, while full LED lighting ensures maximum visibility day or night. Under the seat, a generously sized storage compartment and a USB charging port add practical convenience for riders who carry smartphones or small devices on the go. Measuring 1,950 mm long, 745 mm wide, and 1,180 mm tall. With a 1,340 mm wheelbase and 165 mm of ground clearance. The Urban 150 FE occupies a footprint similar to compact scooters, yet it packs a 13.5-liter fuel tank. That's nearly double the 7-liter tank you'll find on a Honda Shish 160, allowing extended range between fill-ups. In testing, that big tank proved useful for delivery riders and daily commuters who want to minimize stops at the pump. Beneath the sleek bodywork lies a 149.6 cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine equipped with electronic fuel injection. The FE system not only meets Brazil's current emissions standards, but also delivers impressive fuel economy. Real-world testing yielded 89.99 mpg/US, depending on riding conditions and throttle input. Performance is adequate for city traffic and short country stretches, producing about 12 horsepower through a smooth 5-speed gearbox. Riders praised the engine's linear acceleration and the gearbox's crisp shifts, making daily rides feel relaxed and responsive. Shineray went a step further by including an automatic engine cutoff when idling at a stoplight, with seamless restart as soon as the throttle is applied. This start-stop feature is typically reserved for higher-end models, so it's a notable inclusion in a 150cc scooter, boosting fuel savings and reducing urban emissions. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and dual-coil spring shocks at the rear. Nothing exotic, but tuned to absorb potholes and speed bumps common on city streets. While not designed for off-road use, the setup provides a comfortable ride over cracked pavement and raised intersections. Stopping power comes from a front hydraulic disc brake and a rear drum brake. Although it lacks a combined braking system, CBS, braking response is solid for both experienced riders and beginners alike. Shineray carefully balanced cost and features. The estimated retail price in Brazil is $11,000 BRL, roughly $200, $2,400 United States dollars. Depending on the exchange rate, that undercuts many rival 150cc models from established brands like Honda and Yamaha, making the Urban 150 FE an appealing entry point for budget-conscious buyers. Its direct competitors include the Honda CG 160 Start, which commands a higher price, and the Dafra Speed 150, a less widespread alternative in the same category, for riders seeking a fuel-efficient, low-maintenance commuter with modern styling and useful tech like full LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and under-seat storage. The Shineray Urban 150 FE delivers substantial value. It may not be the most powerful 150cc scooter on the market, but it fulfills Shinray's promise of blending affordability, convenience, and contemporary design. Whether you're a delivery driver, a student, or anyone needing an economical daily ride, the Urban 150 FE is worth a close look. Thank you for watching.